Welcome to Dino Quest, where young adventurers embark on an exciting journey back in time to discover the wonders of the dinosaur world. Join our team of paleontologists in training as they uncover fossils, examine dinosaur footprints, and learn about the fascinating creatures that roamed the Earth millions of years ago. Take a look at our Dino Encyclopedia, where kids can learn about different dinosaur species, from the towering Tyrannosaurus Rex to the swift Velociraptor. Hands-on activities like dino skeleton puzzles help kids understand dinosaur anatomy and how fossils provide clues about their behavior and lifestyle. Our animated adventures bring dinosaurs to life, transporting kids to the Jurassic era to witness epic battles, thrilling hunts, and peaceful moments in the prehistoric world. Test your knowledge with our Dino Quiz Show, where kids can challenge themselves and each other to see who's the ultimate dinosaur expert. Dino Quest is not just about learning, it's about having fun, making friends, and fostering a lifelong love of science and discovery. Join us on this unforgettable adventure and let the Dino Quest begin. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational content about dinosaurs.